Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. It is Shae here with another lock video. So I just wanted to come in and talk about this loc bun. So on Instagram a little while ago, and actually if you don't follow me, please follow me. Laird Living is my main channel, which is mostly home decor, and then my channel about my locks and my lock journey is 46 Locks. So please give me a follow. But anyway, if you follow me already, you would have saw that I posted this a picture with my hair like this, and I said that in order to achieve this look I had to kind of cheat. So my locks are medium length right now, and I can't just throw it up into like a cute little bun really quickly. It takes some time and effort to achieve. So if your locks are at the same length as mine and you'd like to achieve this look, please continue to watch. All right, so I'm starting with my hair down, and I usually like to do my this style when my locks are older. Anyway, I have that bungee that I got off of Amazon, and then I also have my rubber bands. So now what I will do is create a little bun at the top with half of my hair. So I'm gathering a few locks, about half. Or a little less than half. And then I got my rubber bands. So I have two because my locks are thick. One won't be enough for me. So then I just kind of make a little messy bun at the top. All right, so I'm not too worried about the locks like that are sticking out right now because I'll fix those in a minute. So anyway, I have my little bun at the top, and now I'm going to gather I'm going to gather the rest of my locks. So I have my bungee, and I take those in the back. And I'm just going to make a second bun now with the bungee. It's a process, y'all. It is a process. Some days are easier than others when I'm doing this loc bun. So now, of course, I have some sticking out, but it's fine. I'll just tuck them all in. Tucking those stragglers in. So now what I'm doing, I'm going to make a bun with that second ponytail. So essentially it's kind of like I have two little buns on my head, two little buns at the top. And then I start to work to tuck all the little stragglers in. I'm tucking, and I'm tucking. And you just have to kind of mess with it, play with it, tuck them all in. Get it to your liking. Play around with it a little bit. Position, reposition some locks. And then there you have it for the most part. And I'm moving some around. tucking some in again. And then finally, you have your updo. After a lot of finagling and gathering locks, you have your nice, neat little updo. You can see my bungee in the back, like the hooks. I don't care. I just let it show. I don't care about covering it up. And the other side. And voila, that is it. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.